So the next question that we will solve is palindromic prime numbers. So in this question we have to calculate first n prime number which is palindrome, and after that we have to find out in n first palindromic prime number how many are of length odd and how many are of length even. So first we have to calculate the how many palindromic prime numbers, and out of that we have to divide into two part, odd and even prime numbers, odd and even palindromic prime numbers. So the constant is giving 10 to the power 5 test cases, and for each test case the n will be vary from 0 to 5. So by looking on this constant, it is very hard to calculate within the time by the simple way. So this question is not that straightforward. You can't compute by computation. So you have to go through the some mathematical things, and after some experiment, you will get the effect that all the prime numbers, all the palindromic prime numbers, which is greater than 11, that will be definitely of odd length. So the only one prime number we are having of even length, that is 11. That's the trick here, because by the calculation you can't compute all the palindromic prime numbers, and it is very tough to calculate these things with this constant within the time. So I was also not aware about that fact. So after checking of multiple test cases, I got to know that the if every n is greater than 5 is having one odd, one even, and n minus 1 odd numbers, and if number is greater than 5, all the palindromic prime number is of odd length only. So there is only one prime number of even length, that is 11. So after knowing that fact, you can calculate it very easily. So let's show the code. Mm, so the here is code for the same. First we will check n. If n is less than 5, then all the prime number is of odd length. So we will simply print the odd length prime number is n and even length prime number is 0. But if n is greater than 5, then fifth prime number is 11, that is of 11, even length. So 1 will be the even length prime number, and remaining all the prime number n minus 1 will be the odd length prime number. So that is the simple code of that same.